In this video, I'm going to show you how to sort an array. So there will be times when you want to be able to sort items that you have in a certain array. So I have here our Java Arrays project open. So go ahead and open that. If we create an array, such as these arrays that we've created here, let's say if we wanted to sort these R strings here, which has names of my siblings here, right? So if we wanted to sort this array here, all we will have to do would be to call the utility class called array, right? That which has the method sort. So what do? We go ahead and say arrays dot sort, and right away we have all of this sort functions that we can use, right? So just go ahead and say enter here, right? And now it requires us to enter the actual array inside of here. So let's say if we wanted to sort the items inside of these R strings here, so we can say R strings, enter, right? So now here at the bottom, we do have a for loop here with siblings. So if we were to, let's go ahead and copy this. And let's comment this out. That way we don't have a clutter of stuff. So here, I'm going to paste it here. All right, so here we're going to say my siblings before sorting. Okay. I'm going to say system out. Let's give it a little bit of delimitation here. That way we know what's really going on. Okay, so what I'm doing here, we have sorted our array strings, which is these strings of array here with my siblings names. Okay, so we're gonna output first before sorting. Okay, so which means we have to get all of this out of here and put right here. And this is going to be my siblings after sorting. Okay, so if we save this and run, we should see here. Before sorting, we have all of these names. And then my siblings after sorting, we have all sorted out here. So look, you notice when we sort strings, when we sort our strings here, everything is sorted in alphabetical order. Okay, so all we had to do is just call this array.sort and pass in the array that we are interested in sorting. And notice something very interesting here. This arrays, as we added it, if we hover over, you'll notice it's part of the java.util, that arrays package. So if you go back at the top, you will notice something was added. So automatically, Eclipse was able to add the arrays class. Okay, so that's something to note here. If you, for any reason, are running into issues where you're not able to run this program after you have set arrays.sort, chances are it's because you haven't imported it. But likely we didn't have to explicitly write import java.util.arrays because our IDE here took care of it. All right. So obviously, if we are able to do with strings, we can do with ints as well, right? So we have 2, 4, 5, 6 in this first array here. Could have done the same thing. Let's copy this to save us some typing. In fact, we have the, let's go ahead and uncomment this one here and use as gonna be our ints. Say copy here. Called sorted. Copy there. So we are talking about, we want to sort this array here, right? So that means now here we can say arrays.sort, and we're going to pass our ints. Save. Notice now it will be sorted in the increase order, right? So it's going to be 2, 4, 5, 8. Now, this is not going to change anything, right? Because this is actually increasing. Let's go ahead and move things around. Let's start with 4, and then 2, and then let's put 8 and finish with 5. That way it's all random. It's not sorted yet. That way we can actually see the difference here. So we save this and run. We should see 2, 4, 5, 6. So I encourage you to go ahead and play around with this concept as usual. So go ahead and create as many arrays as you can possibly create, and just play around with this concept of sorting things, and so you get the hang of it, right? It's pretty fun. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.